friends, here's some fun math sheets to do. In this one, where it says roll and build a turkey, you're going to count the feathers on the turkey and put it in the box. So here's that word again, N-A-M-E, to write your name. You can practice writing your name in the box. If you're unable to do it, that's okay. Start with one letter. So in this first one, you can count 1, 2, 3 feathers and write it in the box. And do that for all the turkey feathers. On this one, again, N-A-M-E, write your name or just write a letter that you can and count how many turkeys. This first one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to write a number 8 in here. This one kind of goes along with our story, the 10 turkeys on the fence. Have fun with this. Bye, friends.